guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a keto chocolate cake. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, I have taken this almond flour cake mix, which is a keto cake mix from Amazon. 60 grams of butter, that's Amul butter, and 3 whole eggs. For dressing, I have fresh strawberries and 60 grams of roasted nuts. So I have almond and walnuts, 30 grams of almonds and 30 grams of walnut. I have already roasted in 1 teaspoon of ghee. Lastly, for the topping, I have Keto Fuel drinking chocolate. First, in a bowl, we're going to take the cake mix. So we're going to empty the cake mix. To that, we're going to add our 60 grams of butter, and last we're going to add 3 whole eggs. Now we're going to mix it nicely. We're going to give it a nice whip. And our batter is ready. Yes, it's super easy. Our cake batter is ready. Just 3 ingredients and it's all done. Now I'm going to take a baking dish. So that's a baking dish I have. You can take any dish, any mold, any size, whatever you want. And in that I'm going to add a parchment paper. Now I'm going to grease this parchment paper with little oil or butter. So I'm going to use a spoon and grease the parchment paper. There you go. And once it is done, we're going to pour the cake mix into the dish. There you go. So that's a cake mix. It's going into the dish. And our cake is ready to go into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for the next 20 to 25 minutes. And our dark chocolate cake is ready. There you go. Wow, it looks amazing. So I have taken keto drinking chocolate. To that I'm going to add, that's coconut milk, unsweetened natural. I'm going to mix the drinking chocolate to it. So you see, nice thick layer of chocolate is formed. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cold pressed coconut oil. There you go. Become much more richer and creamier. Now we're going to add the same over the cake. So you can use a flat spoon and put the same on the cake evenly. And once you think that's evenly spread, now you can add your nuts and strawberry to the same. So I've taken 10 grams of walnut and 10 grams of roasted almond. So now I've taken 30 grams of roasted walnut and 30 grams of almond for the same. So once it's nicely evenly done and it's spread all over, now you're going to add the strawberries to the same.
Our Keto dark chocolate cake is ready. The benefits of the same: it's extremely low in carbohydrate, it's relatively high in protein. Also, you can enjoy all your dessert guilt-free. That's the benefit of a keto dessert. Guys, request you to please hit that bell button so that you get information of all our videos. Lastly, I humbly request you please log on to our website, that's www.bodyprocoach.com. There you can go into the blog section. We have amazing blogs which can give you really high knowledge about fitness and can keep you really motivated. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to see you next time. Lots of love.